Hi, my name's Tom and welcome along to Barbecue Life, where, to be quite honest, we're a little bit frightened of cooking fish. So we're going out of our comfort zone today, and we've got a whole trout that I've butterflied out already, taken as many of the bones out as I possibly can because that's what puts me off a fish. And we're going to be cooking this hot and fast, and hopefully it's going to taste pretty epic. Stick around and let's see what we think at the end. So this is our trout butterflied out, and as you can see, it is far from perfect. Now, lesson learnt here, get your fishmonger to do this. They take all of the pin bones out, they take the spine out and leave it butterflied like this, and it will just look a little bit prettier than what this one is. I didn't get this from a fishmonger's, this is freshly caught. My mate Paul, he caught it and donated it to the channel, which was very nice of him. Let's get that turned over. And then all we're going on the skin side is salt. A fair bit on there because we want to really crisp this skin up. So we're going to let that salt sit on there while we get the Kamado lit up. So let's show you. So temperature wise, you want a nice hot searing Kamado. This is set up to about 250-300 degrees C. We're going on skin side down. Really hot grill. We're going to leave that for a couple of minutes and we're going to really char that skin all the way up. 4 minutes skin side down. Nothing stuck. Flip it over and look at the crust on that skin. That is beautiful. Just go a couple of minutes this side. Pepper this side now. I don't like to pepper things much before I cook them because pepper becomes quite bitter if you burn it, and at these heats it is going to burn. Get a lid shut, a couple of minutes. I've had a couple of minutes flesh side down. I'm hoping this isn't going to stick. Yep, not great. Get in there with a fork. So in hindsight, I should have got underneath there with a spatula. But as I said at the beginning, I don't really do fish a lot. So majority of this is new to me. That's got majority of the flesh back out showing. So because we didn't season the flesh side, going on a bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and then we're going to go on with a nice squeeze of lemon, and that is as simple as that. So we're going to leave it just to sit just for a couple of minutes, calm down, and then we're going to give it a taste. So this smells really nice, and I'm hoping that by butterflying it out, I've got the majority of the bones out. As I say, get your fishmonger to do it, and it's going to be a lot easier than doing it yourself. That's why I didn't put it in the video, because I made such a hash of doing it myself. But I'm going to pick this piece up here, give it a try. All seasoning works really well with the fish. It's light and flaky. I didn't get any bones in my bite. Going for another one. So this is wild trout, so this isn't farmed, and it's really nice. I think I would definitely cook it again. Just next time I'd use a spatula to pick it up. So if you like what we're doing at Barbecue Life UK, then please do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video, leave us a comment, let us know what you think. Cheers for watching.